Well, this is a project. Look at this. So this customer's turning this back into a house. Obviously a lot of it has to be demolished. But there are stones here so big you would not believe it. You would not believe it. So customers starting to collect stones from the inside of the building to dress back into walling stone. But look at the size of some of these here. And look at this. I can't go inside because it is pretty dangerous in there. But look at these stone slabs. Them stone slabs were part of the floor at one time. As you can see, these oak beams have all rotted away and the place has fallen apart. But everything is going to be reclaimed and redressed and reused. Nothing is going to go to waste. I'm actually here looking at the tower there, so give me a second. I am inside the tower. As you can see, there is not a right lot left. So we are arranging for scaffolding to go up there on the inside and the outside, and god damn, look at that stone. What the fuck, mate? It is not safe in here. But look at this stonework. What the fuck? I love this sort of stuff. Just down my street. Take it apart and start again. So this building is not listed. Not listed at all. As you can see, everything that was up there is now down here and through the wall there. The only part of the building that is listed is a curved bit at the other side. Back in a minute. Here we go. The only part of this building that is listed is the curved bit there. The council said that bit has to remain. The rest of it will have to be brought down to a safe point and then rebuilt. But as you can see, everything that is part of this building, or was part of this building, is in piles around the building and strewn across the landscape here. Just needs somebody with the knowledge to pick it all up and redress it, use it all again, including the big bits inside. So I'm going to be speaking to James, the Yorkshire stone dresser. This one is just down his street and not far away from his house. He'll love this one. But there are some big ass pieces of stone just balanced precariously. Look at this. Unbelievable. So these pieces of stone here were balanced on the top of the wall. They are now laid flat on the ground. As you can see, it is not safe to be anywhere near this building, not right now. It's up and coming project. We're going to restore this and get it back to what it should look like. And we start with the tower first. So scaffolding around the tower and then inside the tower, and then we can get to the roof and see what is going on up there, mate. See you later.